Hi guys, my name is Melissa Weekly. This is my MIT 822 intro video for Module 1. So a little bit about me. I graduated from KU in 2016 with my degree in elementary ed. This is my third year teaching. I taught third grade for 1 year, and I've taught sixth grade in the elementary school for the last 2 years, and I love it. And that's in Overland Park, Kansas currently. Okay, so hypertext and hypermedia. Honestly, I had no idea what they were. When I saw the terms, the first thing that I thought of that I kind of grouped it with was hyperlink. I'm familiar with that, so I kind of made an assumption about what hypertext and hypermedia was. So I went ahead and did some research and looked it up. So I found out that hypertext leads from one text to another text, whereas hypermedia leads to other forms of media. It's not necessarily text-based. Why this is important? Um, Overall, it's more interactive and engaging for students. It makes them, whether it's some kind of like interactive textbook or an activity or a presentation, it makes them have to participate and it makes them want to do it more so. It does require active participation, and they're able to make more meaningful connections than if it was just like an essay or an article or something like that. How I hope to use what I learned from this class in my own classroom. I want to design more interactive lessons, and that can also go for having students design interactive presentations and things like that. Um, I want to be able to scaffold lessons more when teaching new concepts, and I think hypermedia and hypertext would be an interactive way to do that. And it's a good way to show students connections between topics and concepts that you might not otherwise be able to do if you were just in a regular textbook or some kind of just like slideshow or something like that. Um, Also, teaching students how to interactively take notes in presentations, I think it's going to make it a lot more fun for them. So I'm very excited to find out what I learned in this course. Thanks.